So today we are cooking. Guys, we are gonna cook some squid. And I'm cutting the onions. Look at this. Whoa. Cutting the onions, and it's making my eyes hurt. Would you mind where my eyes hurt? I don't want to touch my eyes up with this. Okay, my eyes are getting watery, guys. Dad, my eyes are getting watery. Why? Okay, let's go check on my rice. Check on my rice. No, guys, look at this. This is rice. Oh, still not yet done. Okay. Oh, wait, I need to wash my hands. Wait. Guys, I'll be right back. Washing my hands, and my dad's cleaning my pan. And then here's the onions and garlic that I cut. And here is the squid. Ooh. See? Consider me? Eddie? Consider? What did you say? Guys, I'll be back.
Nanini, timpla? Sprinkle some paminta.
Grabe yung kuka.
Ito na siya sa food.